Hello! If you're over 50 and looking for a natural way to take care of your skin and health, this video is for you. I'm going to reveal 5 incredible benefits of castor oil, an ancient beauty secret that can transform your life in just 7 days. What's more, I'm going to teach you a simple trick to triple the effectiveness of castor oil. But beware, if used in the wrong way, it can cause problems. Watch to the end and find out how to use castor oil safely and effectively. But first, enjoy the video, subscribe to the channel, and activate the bell so you don't miss out on tips like this. And tell me, have you ever used castor oil? Have you seen any improvement? And where in the world are you watching from? Write in the comments below. Let's go. If you're over 50, it's time to discover a secret that has been used since ancient times. An oil that was once considered a luxury item, the beauty secret of Egyptian queens. Castor oil has been used for thousands of years to promote health and beauty. It wasn't just popular in Egypt, it was also widely used in Indian medicine. And now, modern science confirms its incredible benefits. You won't believe what it can do for your skin and overall health. Its key component, ricinoleic acid, is responsible for all these amazing effects. But does it really work? Who shouldn't use it? What are the risks? I'll tell you everything. What are the 5 science-backed benefits of this oil? Benefit number 1. Castor oil has anti-aging properties. Nature's Botox for your skin. Do you want to slow down skin aging naturally? Castor oil is called nature's Botox for a reason. Rich in antioxidants, it fights free radicals, the main culprits behind premature aging. These radicals break down collagen, leading to wrinkles and sagging skin. By applying castor oil to the most vulnerable areas, eyes, mouth, and forehead, you protect your skin. Soften fine lines and prevent
wrinkles from forming.
Your skin becomes firmer and younger looking. Beyond wrinkle prevention, castor oil deeply hydrates. It creates a barrier that locks in moisture, leaving your skin soft and smooth. That natural, healthy glow everyone wants. In just 7 days, you'll see the difference. Try it, apply it before bed, and let it work while your skin regenerates naturally. Can you imagine waking up with more radiant skin? It's possible. Benefit number 2. Castor oil can help with acne and inflammation. Still dealing with oily skin or acne after 50? Castor oil might be your biggest surprise. Despite its thick texture, it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory properties. This means it fights acne-causing bacteria. Ricinoleic acid in castor oil inhibits bacterial growth and soothes skin inflammation. As a result, it treats acne at its root while also reducing redness. And although it's a dense oil, it has a low comedogenic rating. In other words, it won't clog your pores. Try applying it to problem areas and see the difference in your skin. Benefit number 3. Castor oil is a powerful lip moisturizer. Imagine never struggling with dry, chapped lips again. If you spend long hours in air-conditioned environments or are planning a trip to a cold destination, castor oil can be your best friend. Rich in ricinoleic acid, it acts as a natural humectant, attracting and sealing moisture into your lips. This creates a protective layer that keeps them soft and hydrated all day long. Do you know that uncomfortable feeling of cracked lips that hurt when you smile? That will be a thing of the past. Just apply a small amount to keep your lips from drying out even on the coldest, driest days. The best part? You'll notice the difference from the very first use. Benefit number 4. Castor oil provides intense hydration for cuticles and nails. Do you struggle with weak, brittle nails or dry cuticles? Castor oil might be the perfect solution. Packed with vitamin E, it deeply penetrates, hydrating and strengthening both nails and cuticles. Massage a small amount into your nails and cuticles daily, and you'll notice a transformation in just a few weeks. Are you enjoying these tips? Comment after watching the video which benefit surprised you the most. Benefit number 5. Helps heal minor wounds. Castor oil can also speed up the healing process of small cuts and wounds. Studies show that ricinoleic acid in castor oil promotes tissue growth, aiding in skin regeneration. Plus, its antimicrobial properties help protect the skin from infections while it heals. Apply a thin layer of castor oil directly to the affected area. Of course, you wouldn't use it on large wounds. This method is ideal for small cuts and minor injuries, ensuring faster and safer recovery. And how can you triple the effectiveness of castor oil to maximize its benefits? First, choose a 100% pure, organic, cold-pressed castor oil. This makes all the difference. Cold pressing preserves essential nutrients like antioxidants and fatty acids, just like extra virgin olive oil. This way, you ensure your skin gets the best possible care. Another powerful tip: castor oil is thick and can be absorbed slowly by the skin. To improve this, mix it with lighter oils such as coconut or almond oil. This combination helps spread the product more easily and allows it to penetrate deeper into the skin. Finally, apply castor oil at night. While you sleep, your skin absorbs nutrients more effectively. As you rest, the oil works to restore elasticity and hydration. When you wake up, you'll notice your skin looking visibly refreshed. With all these incredible benefits, castor oil seems like a true ally for health and beauty, right? However, as with any product, there are misconceptions circulating online, and it's important to distinguish facts from myths. Let's debunk some common beliefs and discuss the precautions and risks you should consider when using castor oil. Myth number 1. Castor oil makes hair and eyelashes grow. Unfortunately, this is a myth and one of the most widespread ones. There is no scientific evidence that castor oil stimulates hair or eyelash growth. While it can hydrate hair and help prevent split ends, it does not accelerate hair growth. In some cases, excessive use can clog hair follicles, causing irritation. In rare cases, it can even make hair so tangled that it needs to be cut. Myth number 2. Castor oil is safe for eye treatments. Another dangerous myth is that castor oil can improve vision, treat glaucoma, or relieve dry eyes. This is highly risky. Applying castor oil directly to the eyes can cause serious irritation. Regular castor oil is not formulated for ophthalmic use and should never be applied to the eyes. Be cautious, never put it in your eyes. In the US, there was a recent scandal involving contaminated eye drops that led to severe infections, causing 14 people to lose their vision. I wouldn't put any oil in my eyes, and neither should you. Myth number 3. Castor oil detoxifies the body. Some people claim that castor oil can detoxify the body, especially when rubbed on the abdomen or used in compresses. However, there is no scientific evidence to support the idea that castor oil has any detoxifying effects. For good digestive and overall health, it's best to rely on scientifically proven methods, such as a balanced diet and probiotic use. What are the risks of castor oil? Who should avoid it? While castor oil offers many benefits, it can also pose risks, especially if used incorrectly or excessively. First, may cause allergic reactions and skin irritation. Castor oil is generally safe for most people, but some individuals may experience allergic reactions. Symptoms such as redness, itching, or swelling can occur, especially when applied in large amounts or on sensitive skin. Important: always perform a patch test before applying castor oil to a larger area. Apply a small amount to your forearm and wait 24 hours to check for any reaction. Second, gastrointestinal side effects. Never ingest castor oil. When taken orally, it acts as a strong laxative and can cause severe abdominal cramps, diarrhea, and even dehydration. Avoid consuming it. Third, contraindications for pregnant women. Pregnant women should avoid using castor oil to induce labor without medical supervision. While it is known to stimulate contractions, unsupervised use can be dangerous and may lead to complications for both mother and baby. Fourth, medication interactions. If you take anticoagulants or antibiotics, consult a doctor before using castor oil. It may interact with certain medications, leading to unwanted effects. Now that you know the benefits and precautions, you're ready to use castor oil safely. Did you like the video? Leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. And don't forget to leave a comment below telling us about your experience or doubts on the subject. And remember, always consult a doctor and make informed choices to protect your health. Want to keep learning about health? Also watch these videos: 10 foods that naturally increase collagen and 10 things that destroy collagen in your body, and my playlist on liver fat and how to improve it, one of the most complete on the subject. Thanks for watching. May God bless us with health and life. Let's work together to promote everyone's well-being. Subscribe for more health videos.